What's the one thing that can sink a small business faster than anything else? It's not a lack of customers or even a bad product. It's bad cash flow. And a huge part of that is getting paid on time. If you're a field service business using ServiceM8, you've got the job management part down. But when it comes to getting paid, are you making it as easy as possible for your customers and for yourself? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into how to take payments on ServiceM8. I'm going to show you the different ways you can get paid, from in-person card payments to online invoices, and how to set it all up so you can stop chasing invoices and start focusing on what you do best. First things first, let's talk about the backbone of ServiceM8 payments, ServiceM8 Pay. This is the integrated payment solution that makes everything seamless. It works by connecting your ServiceM8 account to Stripe, a world-leading payment processor. With ServiceM8 Pay, you can accept credit and debit card payments directly through the app or through an online portal without needing a separate merchant account with your bank. The setup is straightforward. You'll need to activate the ServiceM8 Pay add-on in your online dashboard, and from there, you'll be guided through the process of connecting to your Stripe account. If you don't have one, you can create one right there. Just be aware there's a short initial holding period for your first payment, usually around 7 to 14 days, before you switch to next business day payouts. This is a standard security measure. Once you're all set up, you have several powerful options for taking payments. Let's start with the most efficient one for field service businesses: on-site payments. Imagine this: you've just finished a job. The customer is happy, and they're ready to pay. Instead of sending an invoice and waiting, you can take payment right there and then using your ServiceM8 iOS app. The first and most revolutionary method is Tap to Pay on iPhone. If you have an iPhone XS or newer, you can accept contactless payments from a customer's physical debit or credit card, or their digital wallet like Apple Pay, with no extra hardware needed. It's incredibly simple. You just check out of the job, go to the billing screen, tap Add Payment, select Tap to Pay on iPhone, and then hold your phone out for the customer to tap their card or device. A checkmark appears, the payment is done, and a paid invoice can be sent instantly. This is a game changer for cash flow and for customer experience. Next, you have Scan and Pay. This is a fantastic option for both iPhone and Android users. When you're ready to take payment, you generate a unique QR code on your app. Your customer then scans that code with their phone's camera. This opens a secure payment page on their device, where they can pay with Apple Pay, Google Pay, or by manually entering their card details. The best part? The payment status updates on your device in real time, so you know the moment the transaction is complete. It's fast, contactless, and provides a great customer experience. And for those times when a customer wants to pay with a physical card but doesn't have a contactless option, or maybe you're on a device that doesn't support Tap to Pay, you can use manual card entry. After tapping Add Payment, you'll have the option to manually type in the customer's card number, expiration date, and CVC code. It's a simple and secure way to process a payment on the spot. Now, what about the more traditional approach? For jobs where you don't take an on-site payment, you can send an online invoice with a Pay Now button. Once the job is completed and approved, you can email or SMS the invoice to your customer. The invoice will include a special link. When your customer clicks this link, it takes them to a secure online portal where they can view the invoice and pay by card. This is a huge step up from just sending a PDF and hoping they'll get around to a bank transfer. It makes paying you as easy as possible, which means you get paid faster. You can also record other types of payments, such as cash, bank transfer, or a check. In the app, you simply go to the billing screen, tap Add Payment, and then select the appropriate payment method. You'll be prompted to enter the amount and the date, and it will be recorded against the job. ServiceM8 will keep a clear record of this payment, and if you're integrated with an accounting package like Xero or QuickBooks Online, it will be automatically synced. This brings us to a crucial point: accounting integration. ServiceM8's ability to sync with major accounting software is a massive time saver. When a payment is made through ServiceM8 Pay or when you manually record a payment, that information is automatically pushed to your accounting software. This means less manual data entry, fewer reconciliation errors, and a more accurate picture of your business's financial health. One final thing to consider is the option to pass on card processing fees to your customer. This is a preference you can set in your ServiceM8 account. You can choose to absorb the fee yourself, or you can set up a surcharge to be automatically applied to the invoice. You can even set rules for this, like only applying the surcharge for payments over a certain amount. It's a great way to manage your costs, but be sure to check your local laws and regulations regarding surcharging. So, to recap, taking payments on ServiceM8 is a multifaceted system designed to put you in control of your cash flow. You can use Tap to Pay on iPhone for a modern, hardware-free experience. You can offer scan and pay for quick, contactless payments on any device. You can manually enter card details for on-the-spot processing. Or, you can send an online invoice with a Pay Now button for a convenient remote payment. And no matter how you get paid, ServiceM8's accounting integration ensures your records are always up to date. Getting paid shouldn't be the hardest part of your job. ServiceM8 gives you the tools to make it the easiest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.